In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data by multiple conditions on the same column in Google Sheets with the new update from October 2022. Whether you're managing data for personal projects or professional purposes, filtering can make your life a lot easier by allowing you to quickly view only the information you need. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets and navigate to your desired spreadsheet. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new sheet by going to Google Sheets and selecting a blank document or any template that suits your tasks. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to identify the specific dataset that you want to filter. In this example, we're going to focus on data spread across columns A and B, with the crucial filtering criteria being located in column D. Ensure your spreadsheet is structured in a way that the data you need is in these columns to follow along seamlessly. With your spreadsheet ready, the next step is to select a cell by clicking on it. This cell will be where your filtered data will be displayed. It could be anywhere you'd like on your spreadsheet, but placing it in a clear, accessible location makes it easier for you to view and work with the filtered results. For instance, if your main data occupies the first few rows, you might select a cell in a new row or column to keep your workspace organized and uncluttered. Now, it's time to enter the formula. Click on the selected cell and type in this formula: filter A, B, D, D, March. What this formula does is tell Google Sheets to look at the data spanning columns A through B and apply a filter where the condition in column D equals March. This formula is powerful because it dynamically updates. So, whenever new data is added or existing data changes, the filter automatically adjusts to meet the specified criteria. But what if you need to apply more than one condition? In this context, focusing on a single condition like March may suffice, but Google Sheets also allows more complex functions if required. For instance, you can combine multiple conditions within the filter formula using logical operators like AND or OR, enhancing the filtering capabilities to suit specific needs. Also, if your data gets too complex, consider adding comments or documentation within your spreadsheet to keep track of all your formulas and their purposes. And there you have it, filtering data by a specific condition in Google Sheets. This feature is an incredibly efficient way to handle large data sets, enabling you to focus on precise information quickly. Consider going over these steps a few times to get comfortable with the process, and you'll soon be filtering like a pro. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now equipped to utilize Google Sheets filtering capabilities to streamline your data management tasks. Thank you for joining me, and happy filtering.